welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℂ𝕆ℕ𝕋 back again with another nail video. So today I'm going to do my first attempt at like the flower milk bath nails. I got the flowers off of eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. They were super cheap and they came along with 3 packets of like glitters. So I thought that was a good deal and they were very pretty. So I'm going to take the Gershon Clear Polygel Builder and I'm going to put it on the plate. That polygel is thick, okay? It's a real thick in the streets, okay? You heard me? Yes. So I'm going to put that down and then I'm going to add some white gel nail polish to that so that I can get my white milk polish. Well, polygel, excuse me. So therefore I'm going to take it and mix it together. And I found that, you know, using that Gershon's builder gel, I figured I can take regular polygel and do it the same way as in brushing it on the nail instead of how I was doing it before. So I'm going to take the base coat and put it on my nails and then cure it for the full 60 seconds under the UV light. Then I'm gonna go in, I used alcohol this time as my slip solution. I'm just gonna grab the polygel and kind of just paint it on my nail really thin. I did this for each nail that I did. I did the bottom coat really not too thick, but just, you know, made sure that there was enough on the nail so that when I put down my flowers and my I did use the glitters, that it would have something to stick onto, because I can't put it, I gotta put it the flowers and the glitter down and then I still have to cure it so that it stays in place. So yes, this is one of my first little flowers. That thumbnail that I'm doing right there, that one came out the best in my opinion. The thumb on my right hand came out pretty good too. So basically I just take the flowers of my choice and just place them wherever, nope, put it back, yeah, put it back down, put it back down. Place them wherever I want them to be, what looks aesthetically pleasing to my eye. So I took a little bag of that glitter and I took a little, I forgot, one of my little tools that I have, my little nail, my cuticle pusher, and I used it and I just like lightly dumped it over the nail, like dusted it over the nail, and then bam, that's how she look pre-cure. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that, do like a little flash cure, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails. So at that point all the other nails were done, and now I'm going to take the polygel and basically encapsulate the flowers and the glitter that I put down. This part you kind of want to make sure that the polygel is very thick on top so that when you cure it and then file and buff out the top, that it's not completely gone away and that it is everything underneath is encapsulated. I did another set like last week, or yeah, last week, and I tried encapsulating for the first time and I was like, okay, this is not too bad, not too bad. You just gotta make sure you put like a thick layer on top to cover everything. That's basically it. And I wanted to make sure that I put like enough white paint or white polygel that I made over top so that it looks like it was like anyway, so it looks as if it was an actual like milk bath. But I did add some clear polygel in on some of the nails. Some of them you'll probably be able to tell they look a little clearer in some areas. It's like got like a little cloudy look. So here I'm just going to go ahead and clean up around my nails around that nail before I flash cure it again. So basically I put over the encapsulating layer, and then I would go ahead and flash cure for 30 seconds, and then I would do the rest of my nails. I just wanted to do the flash cure just so I know that the everything was going to stay in place, because basically if I flash cure every one of them, they'll all end up curing for the full time plus some. So yeah, I'm going to use some clear poly gel here and put it at the cuticle to kind of just build up around my cuticle so that it is thick down there, and kind of just spread that on throughout the whole entire length of the nail as well. So here are the nails after they have all been capped. Now I'm going to take my filer and buff out my nails and give them that final shape, finalize everything. You want to make sure that you don't buff it all the way down, because you know they are encapsulated nails, so you don't want to take that whole top layer off, but you just want to make it really smooth and make sure everything is nice and even all the way around. My shaping is still coming together, so I'm proud of myself for that. They did look very good. So after that, I washed my nails and my hands, and I put on the top coat and I cured it, and here are the final results, you guys. I am so proud and in love with this set. Tell me down below how you think I did this go round. More nail videos to come, so know that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all my notifications, and I'll see you guys later.